What can car wash controllers do for you? Find out in this video.
This video is sponsored by Mark 7, shaping the future of all things car wash. Visit mark7.net for more information.
Early controllers in this industry serve the primary purpose of measuring a vehicle and turning wash equipment on. And while these are still very important functions today, modern controllers have advanced to offer more features and better operation. Now, some of the latest advancements include anti-collision, simulated pulse, open pickup bed detection, chemical management, automatic speed control, and more. Car wash controllers are either computer-based, non-computer-based, or embedded. While many washes could benefit from a reliable controller, the number of features needed for optimal productivity depends on the type of car wash. Generally, the more automation involved in the process, specifically in the tunnel segment of the industry, the greater the need for an advanced controller system. Controllers for tunnels are designed for both programming and conveyor operations. For instance, a controller that measures the length of the vehicle and the speed of the conveyor can optimize equipment touch points and chemical application. For in-bay automatics, a programmable logic controller, or PLC, can be mounted on board to control the equipment. In addition to optimizing the wash process, having a reliable controller that features built-in fail-safe features can help to reduce a potential issue. Controllers with a simulated pulse switch and a simulated enter switch will help operators continue washing if these commands malfunction. Remember, when a controller stops working, a car wash essentially stops washing cars. In addition to the benefits that we've noted, controllers also offer many great resource-saving features as well, including saturation control, which can precisely measure solutions such as tire shine. Now that's a wrap on these videos introducing you to car wash controllers. I'm Rich DiPaolo, and thank you for watching.
This video is sponsored by Mark 7, shaping the future of all things car wash. Visit mark7.net for more information.